Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TCR Connecting Agriculture. Today in this video I will be presenting about the millet puff gun machine. But before going to the video, let's understand what is the popping and puffing process is. Popping is a simultaneous starch gelatinization and expansion process during which the grains are exposed to a very high temperature for a short period of time. During this process, the superheated vapor produced inside the grain by instantaneous heating cooks the grain and expands the endosperm and suddenly breaking out the outer skin of the grain. But puffing is a similar process in which the control expansion of kernel is carried out while the vapor pressure escapes through the micropores of the grain structure due to high pressure. The steam pressure is very critical in this process because if it is low pressure, we result into a very less crispiness of the product. But if it is very high pressure, there is shattering of the grains. Hope you friends understood the concept between the popping and puffing. Let's see how this millet puff gun machine generally works. The milled foxtail millet is weighed by a weighing machine and taken about 2 kg of grains. About 100 ml water is mixed with the grain properly. The milled grains are then put in the preheated chamber. The lid is closed and tightened up. The machine has the capacity of 3 to 4 kg per batch. The rotating chamber is switched on and the fire is lightened up with the lighter. Sufficient time is allowed for the superheated steam to cook the grains. Kassenberg in the year 1978 developed a puffing gun which was composed of a rotating horizontal cylinder having the length of 1.2 meter and the inner diameter of 200 mm. The machine lid is little loosened. And a warning whistle for the people inside the hall to close the ears, and it sounds like this. Similarly, we can do for sorghum, ragi, banyan millet, proso millet and kodo millet. And finally, we get the crispy puffed grains.